Hey everyone, Zain here, and today we'll show you how to send money overseas with Commonwealth Bank. Now, the first thing that you should do is simply go and open Commonwealth Bank application on your phone. Then it will show you here this page. Tap on the pay option in the middle bottom of the corner. Then now what you should do is to click on transfer between accounts. And now you will have to choose between these accounts. You can choose between any one of these three accounts to send from, and you can choose between any one of these accounts to transfer to. So this arrow right here points to where that you are going to transfer your payments and from where you are going to send it from. After choose the accounts that you want to transfer from to, you will have to click on the amount button in the bottom right here, enter the amount, and you can add a description, but this is optional. Then click on transfer option on top right side. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.